Hey everybody, what's up? Has gas prices got you pulling your hair out? Well, trust me, I know how you feel. I got 2 gas hogs of my own. Well, I have a solution. Okay, and there is some assembly required. Okay, so we have a charger, a charging cord. These are caps for the nuts and bolts. Instruction manual. Guess let's see what this is. If I can get it open. Okay, there's some Allen wrenches in here, a couple zip ties. Ooh, and some gloves. Do you think they're one size fits all? Well, every size but mine. All right, now we gotta take the gooseneck off. Don't lose your tools in the grass. Whew, I found it. All right, I had to take the gloves off. I couldn't do nothing. I was handicapped. So I just got to finish tying up these bolts. And we're on to the next step. Okay, well, I'm gonna get this on. I'll be right back. Well, I did what I told you not to do. I dropped this screw somewhere in the grass. Hopefully we can find it. I've been trying to find it with this magnet and I didn't have any luck. Good thing I got a metal detector. I'll find it when I'm done. So warning, this is not a toy. The Ausom L2 Max is made for performance. Okay, we gotta charge it. I gotta find that screw. We'll go test this baby out. Oh yeah, I guess I better read the instructions now. Make sure I didn't forget anything. So no, I never did find that screw. I just went and bought a new one. But I did pull out half of my hair over these gas prices. This beast has 2 48-volt batteries, 2 1,000-watt motors, and capable of speeds near 40 miles an hour. So this is how this scooter is going to save me gas money. I don't have to take one of my gas hogs, and we can throw this thing right in the back seat of the car. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit in the trunk. Now let's go find a good place to ride. If you're a fan of this channel, you already know my adventures usually end up on the dirt. But I figure I better give it a test first before we take it off into the mountains. Okay, I'm trying to find a good place where I can show you the controls. They don't show up very well in the daytime. Let's see if they turn on. Oh good, we can see them. And you have a little card to unlock it, or there's a code you can program into it. But let's start over here. You got your power button, and this is your up and down in your modes. We got Eco, Sport, and Race. We're gonna be in Race all day. Now I gotta show you the other important button. This is how you turn on the dual motor. It even lights up red when it's on. And then this is your blinker switch. You just push it twice to turn it off. Got your normal handbrakes, handbrake, and then this is a finger throttle. And we've already done, I started out at 6 this morning, but we're gonna do a max range test, at least as far as I dare and take it. We're gonna cruise along some trails, test it out on the hills, and hopefully I can get us to a dirt trail. We'll do some dirt tests too. This is the Ausom L2 Max dual motor e-scooter. It has 2,688 watts of peak power and a range of 56 miles. A max speed of 38 miles per hour and capable of doing a 46% incline. Let's start in the rear. We have puncture resistant tubeless tires with a decent all-terrain tread pattern, a working brake light, disc brakes, a 1,000-watt motor, rear adjustable suspension. Moving forward, we have a high-strength forged aluminum frame with your two 48-volt batteries inside, and some awesome accent lights. And in front, you basically have the same thing. Front adjustable suspension, disc brakes, another 1,000-watt motor, and a nice maintenance-free tire, and a headlight. So we're not gonna do Eco or Sport because that's not why we got this. We didn't get it to see how slow it goes. We got it to see how fast it goes. So here we go. Okay, that's fast. Okay, this is kind of insane. This goes really fast. Nice and smooth though. I can feel the suspension doing its job. Yeah, I've never been on this part of the trail, so I don't know if I'm going the right way. It feels like it though. We should be following the Ogden River up to the mouth of the canyon on the river trail here. Oh, I forgot to show you the horn. We got a horn too. It's to let them know you're coming in hot. Oh, what the heck? No, I'm going the wrong way. I guess this is gonna be our adventure today. We're gotta try to find the trail that connects to the trail I want to be on. See if this goes anywhere I want it to. I don't feel like this is where I'm supposed to be. Ooh, it peels out on the dirt. Okay, we're back on the main trail, looking for the trail we need to be on. Hopefully I can find it. Okay, I think I got us to our trail. Says we can only do 10 miles an hour. Because this one gets a little peeply. Guess I could stop and read signs, but I don't want to. But man, this scooter's fun. Oh, we're under the water. We're below the river level. Which way? Okay, I picked the right way. Oh, we gotta go into the road. Go through the tunnel. Guess we'll test it up this hill. I made it. We're gonna take this path though. This one goes behind the dinosaur park. So we'll see some dinosaurs maybe. There's one. We made it all the way to the mountains. From clear out on the other side of the tracks on 24th Street. We'll go see if the waterfall's running today. I got a duck or I'm gonna hit my head on those lights. Okay, no waterfall today. Well, I forgot to tell you too, it has a little power port. Let's see, how do you get into there? Got your USB and your USB-C. Charge your phone or whatever. All right, we've made it about 11 miles in about an hour and a half. I'm already getting close to half power, so I'm gonna turn around and I'm gonna take it out of dual motor mode, try to save some energy, and see how many miles we can push out of this thing, and hopefully get back to the car without having to push it. So with just the single motor, it'll still go fast, but you don't have quite the acceleration. It's way more mellow. That was full throttle. We're slowly building up to speed. But nothing like the twin motor. We got a nice straightaway here. Let's see how fast we can go. Okay, 29. 29 on that straightaway. All right, we've been 19 miles since this morning. Says I still got right around half a battery. Let's go push it, see how many miles we can get today. I guess we'll go try the boardwalk. Well, we got another tunnel under some railroad tracks. But if you want a scooter that's fast, the Ausom L2 Max is awesome. It's insane. My battery's almost dead. The bike doesn't have any more power left, hardly. I can only do 18. So we went 24 miles and the battery is dead. The Ausom L2 Max is just that. It's awesome. It's even more than that. It's totally awesome. I think they should probably change their name to Totally Awesome. It was fast. It had a lot of torque. It handled good. And the suspension worked pretty good. I can't complain. It held me. And I weigh right near the max weight on this thing, so. And I only have one complaint about the scooter. It'd be nice to be able to see your display when the sun's shining on it. As soon as the sun hits it, it disappears and you can't see it anymore. So it's kind of useless. But other than that, everything else is awesome. So I thought it did pretty good. We got 24 miles on the race setting and the dual motor for the most part. That was a lot of fun.